Hi guys. So today we're going to be taking a trip to the beach. We're gonna go see the sunset and we are going to take pictures. Hopefully it doesn't rain because it started raining here but then it stopped. So we're on the way right now. I might get like a smoothie or something before we... This is my sister Emily. I don't think she's been in any of my videos except for like the 100 chicken nugget challenge.
20 minutes later. Later.
Okay, so we're at the beach. Not where we always go though, because they have max capacity now. He basically said that we can't go in there until the police say that it's okay, and for now they shut it down. And usually I take my Jeep on the beach on the end, the north end, but it's closed. So this is where, I mean, we found a parking spot here. But it says free parking from a certain date. March 31st. Oh. But I mean, there's a lock on it, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to pay either way. First, we're gonna go see if there's a lot of people. There's people. Whoa, what the fuck is that? What? Oh my god, something just like jumped on me. I left my car over there. Lifeguard. Here she is. Shirley. This is where we parked. This is the handicap thing, so I'm pretty sure it's like this space. I mean, I hope it is. Sorry, I'm out of breath. Chairs, and we forgot to bring waters, like idiots. So we're at the beach now, and we sat close to this umbrella. And I didn't notice, but it has a little piece of paper on it that says reserved for Duke. So I guess these are like the hotel's umbrellas. Oh my god, there's trash behind me. There's Millie. We're about to get in the water. The waves look super calm. And we forgot to bring water, so I'm freaking thirsty. I knew I should have stopped at a Starbucks or something, but yeah, I'm about to get in the water. So let's go in the water. Lord! I'm like, oh my god! It's super relaxing out here. You know, the vibe.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we just came back from the water. And the waves are super calm today. And there's a seagull getting closer to us. Why is he coming? We don't even have food. We don't even have water. I don't know, I'm scared.
1 hour later.
Okay, so we're back from the beach. And we're leaving now. We're probably gonna go get water and maybe go to this secret little beach place that I know of. Is there no? No. Okay. There's some conch.
20 minutes later.
We are waiting in the Chick-fil-A line now. About to order some food. I have my app. I have 4,000 points. So they were out of strips. So I had to get freaking nuggets. I hate nuggets. They're always crusty. But yeah, after this we're gonna go to the beach again. Well, we're going to this secret beach and wait, should we go there or should we just go back to where we were before? Let's go to the secret beach. Well, it's literally just like under the bridge. Can't believe they didn't have strips. I'm so mad. I'm so thirsty. We had nothing to drink this whole time. By the way, that's not like herpes or anything. It was a pimple, and I used a pimple patch on it in my room tour video, and now I'm stuck with that scar because I like peeled it off. This is my new screen. I love it so much. I totally recommend. It's the Apple Music one. I'm in Apple Music CarPlay one. You can add CarPlay to it or whatever, and this is what it would look like. And oh Lord Jesus, that's so the oh shoot.
Oh my god.
We just have to blur it. We were listening to Bad Bunny. Psych, we gonna get copyrighted. We'll see you guys if we go to the secret beach or not. Why do we keep calling it secret beach? We're gonna get there, it's gonna be ugly. I've never been down there, but me and my friends always wanted to go down there. You're so proud.
Eventually. A few moments later.
So we ended up not going to the secret beach because there was so many people there, and we just decided that we didn't want to go there and be around all those people, especially with COVID going on. But we're at another access.
Bro, my freaking phone wasn't charging the whole time. I forgot to press
Stupid!
Ouch! Oh, the bag is it?
Hurry up, dude. I'm trying to put my... Wait, are you recording it?
Yes!
It's so beautiful out here. I didn't see it.
Are you freaking serious?
Yeah. I only saw my camera.
Are you serious?
Yes.